Hey guys, this is INWIN. I seem to be collecting a never-ending stockpile of computer peripherals as I continue to upgrade my coding and work environment. Apart from the replaced computer cases, monitors, keyboards and cables, the current setup looks like a disaster zone with cables and leads everywhere. Add the uncomfortable and hot seat and I need a new plan. Come on Ingrem, what can you do to help me? Give me some ideas please. Well INWIN, we have some great news. Let me introduce you to the limited edition customized setup from Ingrem. It's everything you ever wanted for speed, looks and comfort. Let me run you through the specs and equipment included in this, the ultimate coders and gamers setup. Put this all together and you have the ultimate bundle and customized coding setup for a total cost of $30,565. Goodbye to the tech wasteland and hello to the ultimate setup for coding and gaming from Ingrem.